Hey guys, I know it's been a long time, but here's another update of what has been going on lately and what I've been up to. So stay tuned.
Self-destruct sequence activated.
Hey guys, Josh bringing you another video for you guys today. I want to give you guys a quick update of what's going to be going on for it's been about a couple months since I filmed the beginning part of this video. See, I got my hair cut. I don't look all like dirt and like shit anymore. So, but I want to let you know that Karma has came back and bite her square right in her ass right now because she's she lost her car and that had all of her valuables in it, all of her clothes, her treadmill. And she did got herself another treadmill, but I'm actually selling that right now to get some money back, and plus she owes it to me because she don't use it. So it basically sits right there collecting dust. My clothes are on it because she doesn't use it because I have it unplugged and she never plugged it back in. So also, all of her movies are gone. Her movies are gone. Her bottles of water was in there, and then we just found out recently that the car itself got towed, and it's going to cost her about over $700 for her to get her car back. Which I called them up and I told them, I was like, you can just keep the car and S&J Auto can take it back. I don't care. I don't want it. The front suspension is basically shot. The rotors are gone. It sounds like complete horse crap. It does. It like rubber, like metal grinding against metal. And then when you pull the brake jerks and the car jerks you forward. So basically, it's not going so good with that car. So I told him, I said, listen, you can keep it. We don't want it. We'll go somewhere else for it. And basically, we had that pay here, buy here, pay here stuff. And yeah, we basically told them that they can just keep it. Well, I did. She wants it back, but I told her you can do whatever you want, but I'm not paying over $700 just to get that piece of shit car back. So, also, I want to go ahead and let you guys know of what's been going on around here, that I've been straightening up around here constantly. Like, I mean, the man cave is completely a mess, but also I want to let you guys know that Crypto has been sick for a while and he's been having some diarrhea. And yeah, you kind of hear all those fans. Yeah, she has 4 fans in here running when she's not, and she don't pay rent. She don't pay for anything. Now another thing too, I straightened this table up. I straightened that up 4 times, and look what I straightened that up yesterday, and look, it's a mess. I'm not straightening this up for her no more. And the reason why my Superman lamp is in here, because she got pissed off and decided to throw it by the freaking door. She buzzed a hole right through that door. And one time she did rip this off right here, which I got to fix this trimmer a little bit right here. But yeah, so my landlord kind of wants her out right now because she is not too happy with her right now. Also, just to let you guys know, it does a little bit smell in here, but it's not that big of a deal. But, I mean, when I get some freshener, I can always spray in here. Also, we've been keeping the trash in here because Crypto likes to get into it and get into the trash. But just to let you guys know that I mean, this is basically still intact, basically. I did not even touch it. But just to let you guys know, yeah, this is what's left of the man cave. I gotta get a new desk. I gotta get a new everything. I gotta get new tools. My toolbox, I had to sell that just to make ends meet. And the only things that I happened to sold that I did not want to sell was all my hats that was on here. I sold all my hats. I wish I shouldn't have done it, but I did, because one thing about it is that I still keep this. All the Superman stuff that was on here are basically on boxes. But all of this right here is intact. I did not touch it. I did not even do anything to it. I need to see something for a minute. I knew what that was. So yeah, I've been planning on getting me like another ring so I can have it, so I can wear it and stuff. But I don't know if I probably would. But basically, she's like talking to herself, and oh, that was not me. That was not me. Also, we go in the bathroom. Close the door so Crypto won't get in there and yeah. Oh, wait, there's more. You guys are gonna get triggered with this. Also right there too. You can barely see it, but right there too. But yeah, that's what happened. And basically some of our dishes are basically destroyed because she decided to tip this thing over and broke all of our dishes. And you see a bunch of them in that corner right there. Yeah, she did that when I was at work. Cops guy called here a couple times. And yeah, let's just say our landlord is not exactly too thrilled with her now. So I hope you guys like this video right now. And I'm very sorry that I have not been posting a lot lately. I mean, I've been kind of postponing on making videos and stuff because of a lot of things. But my exit strategy is I'm still thinking about how I'm going to do this because, yeah. So I hope you guys like this video, and I'll catch you guys next time. I'm going to go ahead and end this before she comes back and starts griping. So peace out, guys.